Hello guys, after a long time I have come with my new tutorial. So today I will discuss about the programming language and already we knows the C, C++ and Swift and Objective-C and all that, right? But interviewer will ask the simple questions for checking a data structure and your logic. So I will go with that today. So I will start a first question, then according to the programming, I will go 1 to around 100 questions. So first questions, for example, an interviewer will ask, you have an array list with the positive and negative numbers and find a smallest positive numbers. So suddenly they will ask and write programming dash 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 dash. So most of the time we don't have a logical clears to solve the easiest way without using uh, any methods, yes, any external methods for sorting and all that. So simple way I have to discuss today. So we first question, my write a program to find smallest positive number from an array list, right? So when programmer, yeah, interviewer will ask these questions, so you have to decide the object what should be there. First is array, a minimum value, an index. If you have an array, you have to discuss about the for loop for an edge. So these are the few things you have to carry out for solve your program. So we have taken a functions get positive number. We have a functions and now take a variable for array list. I have an array. For example, the elements is 23 minus 50 minus 60 54 2 7 and 29 and 79. So sorry, these are the element in array list. So second should be a minimum value of variable, then mean value. So we have to decide which value should be the minimum. So in array list, for example, I have taken a 0 index is the minimum value. I will compare every index of the value with my minimum value, right? Then I will decide which is the minimum value and take a index. I will check which index is the minimum value. So I have checked with the my index. Yeah, index is the variable and this is also for the 0. Now go with the for loop. For loop I in, this is the index for syntax for loop I in, and I will go with the 1 index because I have taken a 0 index, and array dot count -1. -1 is Why should I take in -1? -1 because I have started 0, I have started one index, so the total count should be -1 of total count. Total count equal to total count -1, right? That's why I have taken the -1. Now I will check the value of index and compare with my minimum value. For example, if array of I keep a minimum value of mean value, which I have taken in 0 index, right? If this is right, then I needs a positive value. I needs a positive value. That's why I will check if that value is should be greater than 0, right? Greater than 0, then mean value equal to array of I, and index, which index I get a value, index equal to I, sorry, index equal to I. Now I will print after for loop complete, print mean from positive value equal to or index which index, index equal to index. Now go with the print and call this method from VDLL. I think you have understand the things what I have used in getting a minimum value, right? So don't worry for the programming language. So I got minimum positive value is 2, and which index is the 4. It means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the right. And in last not least, you have to before programming start, you have to decide what we needs to solve, what we needs the object to solve your program, the whole program. So I have taken an array, minimum value and index. These are the three important, yeah, two important. If you don't have an index, don't worry about that, but the minimum value where it should be an store for comparing the element of the array. Now I need a positive number and greatest, and ये greatest या large number, largest number. So largest number, या greatest या largest, positive number and largest number. For largest number, what should I do? Firstly, array of I should be greater than minimum value, and no need to consider with the array of greater than 0. So this will comment. So I will print positive, largest positive number, largest value, right, and index. So now print it. Now get the largest number is 79. This is the 79. Index is the 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got all the things, smallest positive number and largest number. So if you have clear for logical view, so you don't worry about the programming, so you can solve and practice, right? So thanks guys for watching my video and tutorial, and subscribe my channel and share my YouTube video. Thank you. Thanks to all.